Now that these two methods are static, let's move them somewhere so we can use it throughout our code. So let's go to our shared project. And sometimes our shared project is a different project, and sometimes our shared project is a folder within the base project. And let's add a new class here. We'll just call it XMLHelper, and we'll make it public. And we'll move the read XML and save XML from our specific code to our XMLHelper class. And we'll also make them static. We'll need to add the usings, and we'll need to add the using system XML serialization. Great, so now we have this nice little XMLHelper class, and to use it from our code, all we need to do is build and then say here shared.xmlhelper.saveXML, and do the same over here, shared.xmlhelper.readXML, and that's it. Now we can read and write any Poco object we create anywhere in a code in a very easy manner, because we place it in the shared project or shared folder that is shared across all of our projects. Now while we're here, let's just improve this with two more options. Let's say that we want to have a read XML string. We're going to say read XML string. So it doesn't need a file name. It will have a string of XML string, and it will read from a string. This is useful when you don't have a file, you just have an XML string. And we'll do the same to save XML string, which will return the string. And instead of using stream writer, we'll use string writer. And that's pretty much it, and return SW2string. Okay, this will allow us to save it to a string and read it from a string, as opposed to before when we read it from a file and save it to the file. Okay, so by having this nice little class in our shared project, we can use it anywhere we want, and we don't have to bother with the subtleties of XML. Our code becomes XML free. Just objects, and that's it. No implementation details.